This is Kakuli sewing snips. So in this video, I'm going to do unboxing and do a test. I'm going to tell you how I feel about this. So to notice that this is made in Japan and they got two sizes. This one is the smaller size. It's pretty nice that they use the extra protection just in case that when you open the package, cut yourself. The material is very beefy. You see that it's solid metal, and this one in hand is super comfortable. And they have a very strong resistance that you see that it's not easily to press in and it's not easily to open. It's kind of like a pretty sticky, and you can control it very easily. You got very good grip control. And let me see how it works. This is the cotton thread. Okay. Very easy to work with. Effortlessly. And this too is very nice looking as well. Even though it's full metal, you feel the weight, but it's not like something very hard to grip. It's super comfortable in your hand. The edges, it's in your hand, it's not slippery. I like this tool. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.